Good day everyone. So today we're going to translate basic Tagalog sentence into English. Let's start.
Magandang umaga.
Good morning.
Magandang hapon.
Good afternoon.
Magandang gabi.
Good evening.
Kumusta ka?
How are you?
Kumakain ako.
I am eating.
Umiinom ako ng tubig.
I am drinking water.
Natutulog siya.
She is sleeping.
Nagluluto si nanay.
Mother is cooking.
Nanunood kami ng TV.
We are watching TV.